Guys, welcome back. I finally got the CAN to Bluetooth adapter from ECUMASTER. Man, this was a hassle to get. Here it is. Really simple wire. So to fill you in a little bit on the background, I actually got the wrong part. They did the Bluetooth to some different, it wasn't a CAN, it was something else. I can't remember what it was. But they gave me the wrong part. It took them 6 months to get me the correct part. Now, I've heard about their customer service. I know it's horrible. Come on guys, 6 months? It's kind of crazy. All right, so let's just go install it on the car. Hopefully this is a short video. Should go by really quick. And here we go. All right, so I already got the laptop all set up with the USB. Reason for that, I know you have to enable the CAN to Bluetooth adapter once it's installed. So let's go on back to the ECU itself, plug this thing in, then we'll get the computer up and going. Okay guys, so I got the CAN to Bluetooth adapter installed. Let's go ahead and hop on the laptop, see if we can't enable it. I'm gonna go grab the Android tablet that I have, get that ready to go because I'm gonna need that here pretty shortly, I think. Okay guys, so got the ECUMASTER up on the laptop, key on. Hopefully we should connect now. Now I just have to find exactly where I need to go in order to enable the Bluetooth adapter. So let me figure that out, and I'll plug you guys back in and show you where we're at. Okay guys, so under the external port there, click General. Then you find this one that pops up here. Gonna go scanning for devices again. Alright, so as you can see, we are connected. These are the parameters that you need to have in order if you want this to get it up and going. So this is the free version of RealDash. I'm gonna have to buy the Pro version to unlock some things. I can already tell that this one kind of locks me out from a lot of stuff. So that's just something I'll buy and I'll play with. The next video is gonna be me mounting it. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll definitely take you guys along for the ride. And as always, that's all I have for this video. So like, comment, and subscribe. I cannot wait to get rid of these.